Hello everyone. The topic that we'll be discussing is Coulomb's law in vector form. So let us consider two charges Q1 and Q2 separated by a distance r between them. So we will also consider that these two charges Q1 and Q2 are kept in free space. And one more thing, in this case we will consider that the product between these two charges Q1 and Q2 it is greater than 0. So this means that the electrostatic force of interaction between these two charges Q1 and Q2 is a repulsive force. So the force between these two charges is a repulsive force. So now let us consider that F12 be the force on Q1 due to a charge Q2. So since the force is a repulsive force, so force on Q1 due to Q2, it is in this direction. So let us represent the direction from 2 to 1 by unit vector R21 gap. And let F21 be the force on Q2 due to Q1. Since the force is repulsive, so force on charge Q2 due to Q1, it is in this direction. And we will represent the direction from 1 to 2 by unit vector R12 gap. So clearly from here, force on a charge Q1 due to a charge Q2 is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 divided by r square in a direction from 2 to 1. So this is the direction. In which direction? So r to 1 from 2 to 1. Similarly, F21 is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 divided by r square. In which direction? It is from 1 to 2. So from 1 to 2. R21 cap and R12 cap, they are unit vector. They are unit vectors. So hence R21 cap is equal to R12 cap in magnitude, but they are opposite in direction. So here we can write R21 gap is equal to minus R12 gap. Equal in magnitude, opposite in direction. So if we substitute this value of R21 by this R12 in this equation, so we can write F12 vector equal 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 divided by r square. Instead of R21 cap, I can write minus R12 cap. But what is this? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 divided by r square R12. It is nothing but, it is this equation. which is equal to F12 equal to F21. So this equation gives the expression of Coulomb's law in vector form.